本人サポーターがテキサスに来てから少し時間が経ちました。今回考えてみたいのは、彼らはどんな印象を残したのか、それだけではありません。日本人サポーターがテキサスの文化や街を楽しむ姿を見て、私たち地元の人間も普段当たり前に思ってたテキサスの良さに改めて気づかされた部分があったと思います。先日、私が経営しているテキサス地元のHoshiジャパニーズカフェで地元の人たちに日本人サポーターを見てどう感じたのか、そして彼らがこっちに来たことで気づいたことがあるのかを聞いてみました。スティーブ的視点のスティーブと言います。いつもご視聴ありがとうございます。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いいたします。ちなみに今日被ってるキャップはスティーブ的視点のオリジナルグッズです。概要欄に情報がありますのでチェックしてね。それではテキサスの人たちの素直な声を聞いてみましょう。
Thomas and Jen, let's talk about the Japanese fans and the Japanese supporters. We went to a nice event together. What was your impression?
Oh man, it was cool. Everybody was definitely in full support of the Japanese team. They loved it. They were happy to be here, I think.
They're good fans, right? I mean,
amazing.
Did you see? They're passionate, but it's polite. There's no violence, right? Nobody's breaking anything. They're cleaning up. Everybody seems to be really impressed with how the Japanese clean up after themselves when they're done with something.
Yeah, that's a unique and impressive thing.
Why is that so unique now? What do you think? Did we just walk away from that? There used to be something about that, a Boy Scout thing even. Leave a place cleaner than the way you found it, right?
Maybe people are mad at the ticket prices.
Not me. So let's just dump all over the place and do it. I don't know, but
bad mentality.
Do you think the Japanese fans left a good impression on people here enough that people would say, maybe we should pick up some of those kind of traits and things?
I truly hope so.
I do too, man. I want to ask you guys, what was your impression of all the Japanese fans that came to town for this? And with the impression they left on people here in Texas and just everything and all, whatever thoughts, give it to me.
I was so excited to see like everyone just getting so happy in the spirit, and I got to see some people in line with like their whole decoration and just set up ready for the game, and it just felt like very spiritual and awesome.
They're so hardcore supporters, aren't they? We go to Japan and we talk about stuff in Japan a lot, right? We go to Japan and say, wow, this place is amazing, and it truly is, but all of a sudden we saw the exact opposite of everything from Steve's POV. We now saw Japanese people come to Texas.
Yes.
As expensive as it is and everything else that's going on right now, they came here and they enjoyed Texas so much, right? And they ate barbecue.
The comments in the post by all the Japanese that were eating at restaurants and eating.
Yes, just trying all the different food, realizing like just so much.
They loved it, right?
Yes.
How did that make you feel though as an American? Did you feel on the opposite side like a little, like, I don't know, good?
Yeah, how did you feel?
Right?
Like the fact that they were able to enjoy Texas, enjoy the food, enjoy the people, and also celebrate and actually truly, like, you know, be together and feel like they're community, even though they're so far from home.
It was so awesome, right?
It was way awesome.
It honestly made me appreciate more about things that I just am like, oh, it's just normal life, it's just normal things, like,
That's
oh,
it.
it's just barbecue, but to see other people from a whole other country and Japanese people come over and like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, and we don't have this, and it's just, oh, they made me realize things that I should appreciate.
Thank you. I think that's a great point. You know, sometimes we take things for granted that we have because we're living in it every day. We take it for granted. If somebody comes with a fresh set of eyes, a new perspective, and they see something that maybe we're used to, but all of a sudden they make us realize something that we've been missing and not seeing, right? And I think that's the point of everything. So awesome, man. It was a great time. Too bad they lost, but you know what? 4 years from now, maybe they'll do another run. We have to see him again. Panda, how are you, man? I haven't seen you in such a long time, dude.
Yeah, I've been busy.
Been a while. Nice to see you. Hey, I wanted to ask you a question. Did you watch any World Cup soccer?
I haven't yet.
You haven't watched a lot.
I watched a highlight. I haven't watched a full game.
Did you watch any stuff about the Japanese supporters and all the people that were in town from Japan?
Yes.
What did you take away from that, man?
I really enjoy the fact that they like to clean up the stadium. They're really nice to people.
Yeah.
They were just great fans.
They really did, huh? They
Yeah.
left a big impression here in Texas, didn't they?
Yes. It's
Really.
all over the news, showing them cleaning up the stadium, being good fans, friendly to people.
Do you think we can learn stuff from the way they acted?
Yes,
And
definitely.
Americans can take a lot away from that, right?
Oh, yes.
You know, the Japan team lost to Brazil. You said you had some somewhat communication, or you
So
had
I
some
was-
time
I
with
was
Japanese
at,
fans?
Cooper's Barbecue in Fort Worth.
Okay.
A customer.
Yeah.
And they were at the table next to us, and we were just shooting shit back and forth. They were all excited to be there, and they were just had the whole table lined up with barbecue, and they were trying everything.
Did they speak English?
Very little.
But you guys managed to communicate?
Of course.
And it was great.
Yeah.
What was that like, man? I mean, as a person who lives in Texas, or as a Texan, you know yourself, you saw these people come from all the way across the
Everyone's
world.
having a great time.
Yeah.
They're just happy to be here.
Yeah.
Bring a lot of good energy.
Yeah.
So they were having a great time here, and I was happy to have them try out all the Texas barbecue. It was cool to see.
Makes you proud, huh?
Yeah.
Makes you kind of think about, maybe we take for granted all the good stuff we have sometimes.
absolutely
But
do.
And how about their
Absolutely
manners
have it.
and stuff, just at the games and stuff? I know everyone, but you saw the
I wasn't
cleaning
at
up the
game,
garbage.
But the table looked spotless whenever they left. They usually have all the waitresses come
Yeah.
by and clean everything up. Nope.
The Japanese
It was
table was
spotless.
spotless. That is so
Spotless.
great. Hey, I wanted to ask you, so you like Japan. You guys are into Japanese stuff. What was your thoughts on the Japanese people being here? What did it feel like? What are you left with thinking after all the Japanese that came to town here in Texas?
We saw videos of them cleaning up, which was awesome.
Yeah.
Very respectful. It was great to have them. I saw the same thing in Japan.
Yeah.
People were volunteering and picking up trash.
I think they.
I wanted to join in and help. It was great.
You actually felt like we're just watching the TV. Even if I was there, I'd want to join in and help. It's a good lesson, isn't it? You know what it's based off of? It's, you know, and I think even in English we have an expression. It's like, you know, leave a place cleaner than how you found it. Meaning, if you go somewhere and you do something, leaving it cleaner than even the point that you found it at is just a proper thing to do. I think the military teaches it and other things like that too. But that's the Boy Scout. Is that a Boy Scout thing? Yeah. And it's probably a lesson that maybe over time, maybe we've forgotten, or a lot of people have forgotten. We don't think of it. So to see the Japanese do it, it's refreshing and maybe eye-opening, and in some ways, right? I mean, maybe we can learn from it. Is what I thought. You too? Awesome. Did you watch any Japan games?
I did.
You did. Tell me about
See,
the.
they won.
Tell me what about the Japan fans, man.
They cleaned up. That's the big
That's
thing.
the
They
big
cleaned
impression,
up.
huh?
Yes.
Why do you think that left such a huge impression on everybody? Everybody I spoke to here today talked about them cleaning up. What was it about that?
Because that's, you know, even in America, we don't clean up. We keep it dirty. In Japan, they like to clean everything. Even they celebrated, I believe, 4th of July as well, the 250th. over in
They
Japan.
did in Japan.
They
So a
did.
lot of love between
Yep,
Japan and
a lot of
America.
love.
And I think, did you think it's what them cleaning up left a good impression on people here that
They
think
did.
about maybe we should be doing the same kind of stuff?
That's what I always do. So, I mean.
Leave
I
a
think
place
they
cleaner
leave a
than the
good-
way you found it is what it
Exactly.
comes down to, right?
Yep. Leave a good impression too.
There you go.
I mean-
Well done, man. Well, you love Japan, right?
Oh, yeah.
You really do. You have one of the rarest cars probably all around here, if not, just on a U.S. level in general, you have it. But tell me, you're a soccer fan.
Oh, absolutely.
Talk to me about everything else outside of the game and having the Japanese around here.
It was, and that, I think that was probably one of my favorite things was following all the Japanese, they're down in, so I'm in Fort Worth.
Okay.
And so they're down there at
Stockyards,
stockyards and
yeah.
everything. And like they even had like the train come rolling in
Yeah.
through the middle of the stockyards and everything. And it was just that it blew their ever-loving minds. Just they loved it so much. Like it was just such a cool experience having them here and having everybody just.
What do you think? What impression did they leave on people here, or
Oh,
what
just
do
great.
you? Yeah.
Just great, just the best. Like I sit there, I see all your videos when you go over there, and
Right.
everything else, and I see them come here. I'm like,
Yeah.
I want to just go to Japan, just go hang out, just go see stuff. So
Did it make you feel proud, though, as somebody in Texas now, too, living here, having these people come and enjoying so much of our culture and our food
yeah,
and
absolutely.
our hospitality here?
yeah, oh yeah, barbecue.
Yeah.
That was probably one of the funniest things watching.
Watch them eat the
you-
barbecue. Huge. That is so awesome, man. Well, I'm glad. Did your boy get to experience some of that, too?
Oh yeah.
He
yeah,
did, huh?
Sure.
That is awesome.
I love ice cream.
You love ice cream? I bet you the Japanese guys liked a lot of ice cream too. Well,
Absolutely.
you got a good ice cream. I have a question for you guys. Are you soccer fans or not too much?
A little bit. I watched Premier League and stuff, so I've kept up with the FIFA World Cup a bit.
We had a lot of Japanese fans in the state of Texas up until they lost, obviously, last week. My question for you is, watching those videos of the Japanese fans or the Japanese supporters here, did it leave an impression on you just about how they acted or what they do or how they were?
Yeah, I mean, they were nothing but cordial. Like the videos, like cleaning up the stadium and stuff. So, and then like going to the businesses and stuff. I saw a little bit of videos on that, like reels on Instagram and whatnot. But
Does it make you feel good as an American to watch people come here from another country, don't live here and do that?
They get to see the culture and
Yeah.
very respectful. So when Japan came, totally cool. I met a couple people. I went to like Everything Madeline and some of the other like Asian places in
Yeah.
Hamilton. They were all over. So it was cool. Nice people, clean.
Nice. We can all learn a little bit from how they conducted themselves, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, agreed. サッカー、フットボールに興味のない人でも、ものすごい今回のワールドカップの日本人のサポーター、遠くから来られた人たちの行動、動き、楽しみ方などを見て、すごい感動したアメリカ人がすごく多いですよね。なんか響いたんだよね、アメリカ人に。自分たちはもっとしっかりしなきゃ、自分たちはもっときれいにしなきゃ、もっと行った時よりきれいな状態に戻してから帰るっていう頭がやっぱり印象的だったんですよね。今回のワールドカップ、日本人のサポーターを見たアメリカ人にそういう印象が残って、とてもいいこと、いい勉強、いい影響、ありがたいことですよね。日本人の皆さんありがとうございました。結果、負けてしまってちょっと残念だったんですが、もっと大きな意味で、スポーツ以上の意味ですごいいい印象が残っていることが何より素晴らしいことだと思います。スティーブ的視点のチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして日々前進前向きにサムズアップ的に笑顔でやっていきましょうね。よろしくお願いします。ではまた次回まで。3、2、1、バイバイ。